Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan here, and this time I have taken a drama from the book Beehive, and it's a chapter 11, and this is your June-July syllabus. So here, if I were you, means it is conditional sentence based, as if I were you means if I suppose to be at the place of you, it means that. So let's begin. Now I will summarize this drama. This is a drama, and here are two characters you can see here, and he is Gerard, and he is a playwright. He is an artist also, and here he is criminal, and he is intruder. So let me tell you what does the mean of intruder. Intruder is a person who enters stealthily, quietly, silently into a person's house. So that person is called intruder. So let's begin the story. Here Gerard Gerard was talking over the phone when the intruder, a criminal, came into his room with a gun in his hand, and at that time Gerard was shocked at this sight, but he kept himself calm and did not panic, and he tried to handle the situation, and he handled also. So he tried to ask his name, means intruder tried to ask his name because he wanted to take his identity after killing him, but Gerard handled it very cleverly, and the intruder was much interested in knowing the full name of Gerard and also his Christian name, and he asked many questions also. He also wanted to know about his habits and about his talking style, about his other activities, about the people who were there to meet him every day. Gerard was very surprised to know that the intruder knew a few things about it, because intruder was a criminal, and police were behind him, and he wanted to escape from police, and so he wanted the identity of Gerard after killing him. So he was there, and he wanted to ask his name and his full name, his Christian name, about his habits, about the people who would come to meet him at the place. Now also he knew that Gerard would come secretly to his room, and secretly he would go also, and he never meet with so many people every day. So he chose to take identity of Gerard. Now Gerard engaged intruder in a conversation and came to know that the intruder wanted to kill him. So during conversation, Gerard comes to know that intruder wants to kill him, and he wants to take his identity. Now he was a jewel thief and was chased by the police for murdering a cop, because he had murdered a policeman, and police were after him, means chasing him. So and he is a jewel thief here in this story. Now when Gerard knew the intention of the intruder, he made a false story to save himself and capture the intruder. He said, "If you kill me, even then you will be hung," because Gerard had included in his story that he was also criminal. So he had made him to believe that Gerard also was criminal, and police were behind him. So he said, "If you will kill me, you will be arrested by the police." So he made it sound real by telling him that he has to live in isolation, as he too is being chased by the police. And Gerard made him to believe intruder that police were also running after and chasing Gerard. So he was not safe at that place also. And this story was a false story, But here intruder believes that whatever Gerard is saying is correct. Now at first intruder first though he didn't believe, but then he believed, and then therefore he decided to run away with Gerard in his car, and Gerard pushed him into the cupboard according to his plan, because Gerard had thought in his mind a plan. First he made him to believe that police were also behind me, and when intruder believed, then he told that see here, I am also moving from here because I want to escape from police, and if you want to save yourself, just follow me. Then intruder believed and he followed Gerard. When Gerard took him to a place where a cupboard was there in a wall, and Gerard made him to believe that this is the way to garage, and through this way we can go to garage, because garage is always darkness is there. So intruder could not think that it was cupboard, and when he peeped inside, at the sudden moment Gerard just pushed him into the cupboard and hit his revolver, and it fallen down from his hand. In this way he just locked intruder in his cupboard, and then he called a person and told him that yes, I will give you your whatever you have demanded, but first just send here policemen, because here are needed policemen. And he said that you can find out policemen there at the bar. So this is a public bar. So here it is a story about the presence of mind, how had Gerard used his presence of mind, and then he was able to save his life. So this is the story, and dialogues are here, and here you can see Gerard is pushing intruder, and intruder is inside, and this is cupboard. So he is pushing and he is just locking him also. Now again here this is ending up of the story, and this story was written by Douglas James. So here he said that sergeant means cop, means policemen. You will find them in public bar. Okay students, this is the story how Gerard had used his presence of mind, and he had saved his life from that criminal. Okay, Jai Hind students, just go through the story and try to understand it.